Hi, welcome to my creation station. Today I have 5 easy DIYs for your Thanksgiving tiered tray. Let's get to crafting. My name is Marla, and if you love crafting, then I love you. First, I took one of these wagons from the Target Dollar Spot and I filled it with moss, as well as some of the Dollar Tree mini hay bales and the mini pumpkins. Very simple. Here we're going to make a candle holder, so I thrifted a small basket and I added a glass that I had laying around, as well as different colors of beans and peas and corn, and I layered that into the glass, and then I added a battery operated votive candle. Also very simple. All we're going to do to this rolling pin is add a messy bow. What is Thanksgiving without a Pilgrim? So I'm using some tumbling tower blocks, along with one longer Jenga block. I think I got it from a garage sale, a whole box of those, and a spare wood square that I had laying in my stash. I'm going to paint the larger Jenga block in Pumpkin by Waverly. The 3 smaller tumbling tower blocks will get a coat of Waverly ink, and I'm only painting the parts that I know I'm not going to be gluing together. And for that random piece of wood that I've had in my stash, I mixed a little bit of Waverly pumpkin and Waverly white, I believe, together to make kind of a peachy color, a flesh color to paint this block with. I took a piece of scrapbook paper in kind of a Thanksgiving looking plaid, and I'm going to Mod Podge it onto the front of that orange block. Now to create the hat, I'm going to use some wood glue to glue the wood blocks that I painted black together in the shape of a pilgrim's hat. Once I have the hat glued together, I'm going to glue the face onto the hat. Here I'm realizing I forgot to paint underneath the hat, so I'm touching that up with some Waverly and ink. Now we're going to glue the face and the hat onto the orange block. Then we'll give our pilgrim some rosy cheeks and some eyes. Now, using the reverse side of a Dollar Tree sign, we're going to trace the shape onto some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. Once we have that cut out, we're going to Mod Podge it onto the back of the sign. Using my Cricut Joy, I cut out the saying, "Let the stuffing begin," and I applied it to the sign. And here's how I styled my tier tray in my kitchen. Something you liked today. If you did, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I wish you peace, health, and sunshine. Bye now.